Let me show you the quickest ways to fix Android Auto if it won't connect, won't load in your car, or keeps disconnecting. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone and go to Android Auto. If this is your first time using it, set it up with a USB cable or wireless connection by pressing and holding the voice command button in your car. If you've already set it up before, make sure Start Android Auto is set to Always and turn on Start Android Auto while locked so it launches even when your phone is locked. Next, scroll to the Android Auto app settings. Under Permissions, make sure everything is allowed, especially location, phone, and nearby devices. Missing permissions often cause connection issues. Then go to Storage and clear both the cache and data to refresh the app. After that, tap Force Stop to completely restart Android Auto. Once all of this is done, swipe down from the top of your screen and restart your phone. After rebooting, reconnect to your car and Android Auto should start working again. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.